welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolibia again. I am so sorry I haven't posted a video for a while now. That was because I'm still battling with getting back myself after giving birth. I was sick and admitted on Monday. I came out yesterday and I decided to make a video for you guys today because it's been a while. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. So today I brought you this hairdo. If you're interested in knowing how I got this hairstyle, then stay tuned. But first of all, I need you to do one thing and one thing only for me, which is to subscribe, darling. What are you waiting for? So yeah, let's get into the tutorials. So I just went ahead and separated some of the twists so that I can get more volume. And this is how it looks now. Thank you so much for 500 plus subscribers in my YouTube channel. I'm grateful. I do appreciate every one of you, and I also try to make sure I comment or reply each of your questions that you always ask on my channel. Together we can grow the channel bigger. So if you have been watching my YouTube channel without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. Please do share my videos with your friends and your natural hair groups or your WhatsApp groups, and help a friend or a sister struggling with her natural hair. And I love you guys for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys. Love you all. Ciao.